The Chinese distant water fishing fleet is the largest in the world, with thousands of vessels operating across every ocean, catching millions of tons of fish every year. And it's become notorious in recent decades for widespread illegal fishing practices and severe human rights violations, with hundreds of Chinese vessels implicated in multiple regions across the world. Among the affected areas is the Southwest Indian Ocean, a biodiversity hotspot that's home to thousands of unique marine species and which supports millions of people who rely on the sea for food and income. For years, Chinese and local governments have promoted the socio-economic benefits of embracing Chinese investment in the region's fishing sector, proclaiming a zero-tolerance approach to illegal fishing. But instead of the promised prosperity and development, an investigation by the Environmental Justice Foundation has revealed human rights abuses and ecological harm on an industrial scale.
Saji sampai bahkan 4 saji dibunuh. Ya kan diambil giginya aja. Itu untuk kaptennya sendiri sih, dijual ke, kan ada bisnis sama kapal temennya itu.
Ini kan daerah operasi mancing di sana juga populasi hiu cukup banyak.
Iya.
Atau misalnya kapal emas ini masih menangkap ikan hiu masih sebagai tangkapan?
Banyak ya jenis hiunya kan yang masuk ke situ. Kalau nggak ada ikan tuna, ada hiunya semua. Siripnya doang, badannya dibuang. Kayak gitu operasinya sih. Semuanya kayak gitu.
Bahkan lumba-lumba pernah dapat 2. Lumba-lumba dibunuh.
Liwak lumba-lumba. Iya. Yeah.
Pas posisi si kaptennya itu lagi nih kesel, ikan nggak dapet kan.
Terkadang kerjanya ada yang 18 jam, kadang 19 jam. Ikan banyak, kadang 22 jam nyampe. Oh, kalau ini pertama kali saya kerja gulung-gulung nilon. Ini nggak pakai sarung tangan.
Kenapa nggak pakai sarung tangan?
Soalnya kan nggak dibolehin sama mandornya, harus tangan kosong katanya.
Tiga kali sini sakit dan kaget cuman kaget.
Kita di tengah laut terus itu. Ada salah satu ABK minta pulang sama kapten tuh, minta pulang terus nggak boleh. Udah nggak tahan, mungkin karena ada pengaruh. Sekitar 3 minggu itu dia itu selama itu tuh dia tuh dilihatlah CCTV itu, dicari sekitar kejadian sekitar jam berapa. Di sekitar jam 6.20 kalau nggak salah tuh dia terjunnya tuh.
For generations, coastal communities in Southwest Indian Ocean nations have depended on the sea. But the environmental and human toll of the Chinese distant water fleet in their waters now poses a serious threat to the blue economy here. To ensure that the region's fragile marine ecosystems are preserved and that human rights on board distant water fishing vessels are respected, the Chinese government must act now to enforce its own laws and introduce critical transparency measures to eradicate these systemic abuses across its fleet. Southwest Indian Ocean nations should also adopt increased transparency and sustainability measures to protect their waters and the people who depend on them.